This is the Kershaw Gens Carabiner, model 1150BLKX. Carabiner. I guess y'all might all have a way that I'm supposed to say that. But again, this one is steel, made with the black oxide coating. Overall, your inches is 3.6 inches. Has the nice cord cutter. You see the blade that comes there, that is steel. Cut your seat belts, paracords. Just can get in there and really rip it. Use the clip to open and close. Get it around your belt, backpack, jacket. Got all the different notches for your different functions of a bottle opener. Your hex drives of 0.125, 0.1875, and 0.25. This is called a non-load bearing. This is the Kershaw Gens Carabiner, model 1150BLKX.